Hi everyone, it's me again, Sonam, and today is gonna be a vlog for cooking. I'm gonna cook some fried rice and make a milkshake too. So yeah, let's go. Cooking with Sonam. As for the fried rice ingredients, rice, onion, garlic, ginger, milkshake if I'm pronouncing it right, peas, and carrot. Nothing too crazy. I don't have much ingredients, but yeah, trying to make something out of it, you know. Gotta wash the thing out first. Use 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. I used to cry a lot when I cut like onions and stuff like that, but now like these days it doesn't do anything. This one too. Some salt. I forgot what the name of this thing is. It's like the chicken flavored thing. It's a soy sauce from India. Also a bit of dark soy sauce. And with the blended sesame oil. Okay, so the pan is hot enough. So I'm gonna first put this in. Onions. Bit of butter. Got my rice. And with the fried rice, I mean, just look at it. Ooh. Clean. Smells nice too. So now I'm gonna make milkshake. I usually have watermelon all the time, but this time I don't have watermelon, so I'm gonna make it with only banana and yeah, make a lassi. It's a Indian drink. It's called lassi, and it's made with banana. You can also make it in mango or just sweet lassi, so with no fruits. Banana, and then put yogurt and milk. And then also put honey in it to make it sweeter, but you can also use sugar if you want to, but I prefer honey because it's healthier and it tastes better for me too. Done with lassi, and now I'm done with food and the drink. Lassi taste.
On a pris une recette jusqu'à 11, je crois. Bon.
Connected Kırıştı. Canım değil canım.
Gel. Bizde de.
Barış gördüm.
Reste ici. Ah, t'as fait le même tête.
Shit, there was way too much gore.
That's the whole point of the movie.
I know.
The other movies, you know, the first five, they're more like gruesome than this one. This one has some comedy and everything. The other two, they have some.
Because I saw a lot of like clips from Final Destination, but like it wasn't like you won't see the gore. Like I thought there was no gore.
No, there is.
But there is.
Just George.
Yeah. Because like it was on TikTok, so they won't show it. But I did not expect like gore. No, it was. I mean, I did expect it since you said it, but like not like gore.
Nah, it's only gore, man.
Yeah.
Come on.
I mean, look at me though. Thanks for watching my vlog, and yeah, see you soon.